Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Oluwatogreat, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we're actually doing a sit down haul. A few things from Temu that I would like to show you guys, and yeah, I'm excited about them. I've already wore a few of them to a concert, another one to dinner, but yeah, like I've styled most of them already, and I think that's like the best way to give a haul, like when you actually try the stuff out for people. So that's why it's a try on haul today, and we're just going to be talking about like shipping, customs, like did I have to deal with any of that, how long delivery took, all the important details. We're gonna hear of it in this video. And yeah, that's my little rascal. If you're new here, her name is Saint. I actually already introduced her to the fam. She's so cute. Oh my god, say hi. Say hi. No, say hi. Go ahead. And we only got one meow out of her, and that's one thing I love about cats. Like, you only get one meow and that's it. I ain't got nothing else for you. One meow and I'm done. Thank you, Saint, for making an appearance. I got her this month. Actually, she's a true Leo. Like, the attention seeking, the clinginess, I don't mind it though. I love that she's clingy. She's the right amount of clingy. But enough about her, let's get into the haul. First piece of item that I would like to show is this Bodycon dress. So I don't know, I keep looking here instead of looking here because the camera is here, but y'all just gotta bear with me, okay? I just keep looking at myself. So the first piece of item that I got is this Bodycon dress, and by the way, I will be linking each and every item in the description box below, so that if you want to check it out, get it, slay like a baddie on a budget like me, okay, you can do so. I first got it, it was actually short. I mean, I'm 5'9". Okay, I wanted it to be long. It was on the website, it said it was long, but when it got to me, it wasn't like kissing the floor. Absolutely not. But it did the right job. It did the right thing, and I think the length actually ended up being perfect for me. I liked it, and yeah, I got it in black. So the thing with Temu is that, and I'm dropping hidden gems here. Okay, take notes. So the thing with Temu is you'll find this exact same dress for like 23K. But if you keep looking and you keep searching under similar and just like playing around, like when you're on the website, take your time. Why are you rushing? Where are you going? Why are you running? So like when you get on the website, just know, like, get your popcorn, your juice, your drink, your water, whatever that rocks your boat, and just chill, relax, and scroll. You're gonna find it for way less than that if you're a baddie on a budget. Hidden gem number one. So yeah, yes, like I said, this full details will be in the description box with the links, and I got mine in size small, so it's not stretchy, sorry, but it's a bodycon. So if you are a medium, I would say get a small, because I usually go for medium, but like get a small. And if you're a small, go for extra small if they have extra small. That's just like the elasticity of it. Yeah, how stretchy it is. So yeah, that's that on the black dress. Every girl, every baddie needs at least one little black dress. It's not a little black dress, but it got the job done. Thank you. This next piece of clothing is a two-piece, and when I saw it, I was like, yeah, I'm definitely wearing this to the concert. Like, I absolutely fell in love with it. I'm like, it's so simple, but like not so simple. And I like the fact that it's a two-piece and I can like mix and match. So let me show you what a backless string dress. Ugh, top, what am I saying? It comes with this skirt, but one thing I love about this two-piece is that you can mix and match, which is exactly what I did. I mixed the top with, I was actually surprised that the colors can go with almost anything at this point. I've only tried it with three. I've tried it with white, I've tried it with black, and I've also tried it with a color that looks like butter yellow custard. I love it. I got this in a size medium. No regrets, because it's not super body hugging and it's also not super tight. It's just the material is very like soft and airy. Yeah, that's one thing I enjoyed about the skirt. Like, it's very airy. The top also feels really good on the skin, and I absolutely love it. Like the fact that it's baddie, but you can also make it corporate, because you can also style it with like a blazer. I'm talking about the skirt. The top, I have my reservations. I'm not sure why, but I absolutely love like how it looks in front. But the back, I don't know, I thought I was a backless girl, but like I still like it. But it's just that, yeah, I don't know, maybe I should just try and style it with like a black leather pant yeah, I think that would definitely hit. That would definitely hit. But yeah, that's that about this material. Actually, it's so airy. Let me see if they wrote it here. Okay, it's polyester. It's 95% polyester and 5 elastane. And yeah, I think that's why it feels good on the skin. I absolutely like it. So the next piece of clothing that I got is actually tank tops. They came in pieces of three. It's the one I'm wearing now. This is the black color that I'm wearing, and it also came in this like buttery I don't think the camera is doing it justice, and I stained it when I was trying it on. But yeah, it came in this color as well, like a butter yellow. And then the third one, which is the last one, is this white tank top, now medium. So I should have gotten a small, because one thing is I have to like tie the back of it, because I want it to be like hugging my body when I wear it. I feel like the medium for me is too big, so I would say size down. Not that it's super stretchy, however, if you want it to be like a little bit more without you having to tie it at the back, you should definitely size down. The material is 95 polyester and 5% elastane, so it's the same quality as the dress, but the dress felt quite thicker than the tank top. But yeah, there'll be more details in the description box. The links to all of these things will be in the description box. Feel free to click on them and shop. Okay, so I absolutely love the blazer. I mean, it's so big and nice, and it feels expensive. It feels like your granddad's blazer, and the reason I got it was for that detailing on the sleeves. I can't wait to style it with like a neon shoe and a neon match. It's the little details that matter. And yeah, I actually had to like put the paddings in. When it came, it wasn't fully structured. It was kind of like there was no padding, so I had to go and get paddings into them to make it a little bit more structured. They feel, again, luxurious to the skin, but like the size in detail is actually Asian extra large. It's actually Asian extra large. So when you shop for it, let me tell you about this blazer. Actually, another gem. The first time I came across this blazer, it was actually going for like 60k. It was actually going for like 60k. And what is the theme of this Temu haul? Baddie on a budget. Thank you. So like, I put it in my cart because I mean, I had searched for days for similar ones and I couldn't find it. But the great thing about Temu is it's intelligent. Temu is intelligent when it comes to marketing. Like, the strategy is out of this world, okay? And if it's not blowing your mind, it's blowing mine. And I'll tell you why. So like, if you put it in the cart, I don't know, maybe it gets triggered. Like, there's some sort of AI that says, oh, this customer is interested in this jacket. We keep seeing them logging in, user, what's it called, tracking, they're tracking me. And like, I kept going, looking at my cart, adding things to it. Like I said, I chill with my popcorn when I'm on Temu and just scroll. The next thing I see a notification was way less than 60k. So if you're a baddie on a budget, Temu is your friend. Temu is your friend. The next piece of item that I got is the reusable silicone nipple covers. It came in a pack of 2 of nude color, and you just stick it on and you're good to go, baby girl. Like, if you don't want to show off your nipples when it's not Free the Nipples Day, I want to start a movement actually. Can we please have hashtag Free the Nipples Day like once a week? Because underwears, I'm not raging war against underwears, but if I don't have to go with underwears, I will not wear underwears. I'm just saying. But yeah, these silicones feel like skin, so you ain't gotta worry about seeing my nipples on a random day, okay? This piece of accessories or clothing that I got is underwear. I got them in 3 colors. They came in a pack of 3: white, black, and red. I've tried the red on and it was fiery on my skin. I love it on my skin. Yeah, it's comfy. I got them in a size small, obviously. I absolutely like them. They just like your regular G-spots. Very basic, but ribbed actually, not too basic. It's ribbed still, yeah. Thank you. To accessories, I actually got this phone cover. So it didn't come with this octopus grippy thingy. I'm not sure if that's what you call it, but that's what I call it. It did not come with this. I got this separately, but the phone case came like this, like a leopard cover. I absolutely love it. It feels very strong, and it's like it's got like a mirror effect on the inside, but like the outside is like this. Is very bougie. I really really like it. It's cute. It's cute, man. If I dropped my phone, I think she'll be safe because it's wise. Like if you check the side, you see that bump over there. Yeah, I think it'll protect your camera at least. My Amazon is Temu right now, and I know I can find a dupe of this. But the sad thing about this watch is I dropped it, and the glass, I don't know if you can tell, literally cracked. So I just have to finesse it like this, or see if I can get someone to repair it for me. But it's so sad, and the watch is like really super cute. I already wore it. It feels heavy on the hand, like it feels authentic, guys. It feels authentic. But yeah, I absolutely love it. These nails came in packs of 24, and they actually feel very like strong. I didn't use the glue that it came with, so it comes with a file as well as the sticky glue thing, but I didn't use them. I actually used the regular glue that Nails Tech use because I wanted it to last longer. I've never really trusted those sticky things, but if the glue is not your cup of tea, then absolutely use that. But I wanted them to be stronger, and yeah, I've had them on since Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we're still going. So yeah, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah, next item I want to show you guys is this spoolie. They came in a packs of 10. The reason I got this is when I don't have extensions on, I use stick-ons, the sticky pasty lashes, and you know those are reusable, so sometimes you like have them on for like 3 times a week and it's time to wash them. So this really really helps with that. It combs it out, makes it look fresh again, and then you can just put it back in the pack and put it back on the next day, and you ain't gotta worry about your lashes looking, you know what I mean? Lighting, to be honest, I thought it was going to be like this size when I opened the pack, but let me show you what the size, the real life size looks like. I think when it comes to like gadgets like lighting and tripod, I should stay away from Temu. This is where I need to stay away from Temu because I never get the sizes right. Why? But I'm not mad at it. Let me show you. Look at the box, right? Look at the size. But I'm not mad at it though. It still got the job done. Like, so it has like 2 or 3, I don't know, it's not translating on camera, but like this is yellow and white, so it's just 2, right? But it did the job for me at the concert. It was dark. I would insert a little video, and yeah, I got the job done. It's small but mighty is what I'm gonna tell you. So yeah, next piece of accessory that I got is this shade, and this shade feels good on the hands. Like it's not flimsy or whatever. Like it's because let me tell you, if there's one thing that Oluwatogret will do, she will break a shade. Like I will break a shade. Even if I get a case for it, I will break a shade. But like this doesn't feel flimsy, okay? And it's got like a goldish detailing and like this brown, is it raisin? It's not raisin, it's acrylic. I don't know, but it's not gonna break easily and it's not gonna get damaged easily. And like I like it. And I usually don't go for shades this shape. Like I don't know, somebody just told me, girl, take a risk. Take a risk. So I did, and I have no regrets. Like these are fucking cute, man. Like so cute. So this is the first purse or handbag that I got from Temu, and I absolutely like it. Like it's big enough. It's big. Like I wish I could fit my laptop in it big, but it's big enough. Like it fits quite a number of things, and it's so simple and just cute. And I absolutely love the charms on it, like the tennis thing. And someone was like, oh, I actually had this one time, and someone was like, oh, do you play tennis? I was like, yeah, it's one. Actually, it's one of the rich hobbies I'd like to get into. Like, you know, like, oh, okay, you go, girl. Like, yeah, I go. So this is from Temu. I got it in a brown. I think there's like 3 other colors, but yeah, I got this in a brown. I'll be leaving the link in the description box as well. And I like how like this is long, like the actual hamstrings. Like it's Yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so hi love. This is Uluwatogreat from editing. I was recording and I did not know that my mic was not connected, like the Bluetooth switched off. But anyways, what I was saying about this gorgeous cute bag is it came when it first came, I thought it was too yellowy, too bright, too shiny. However, it's actually a gorgeous bag, and I love that it came with that string, even though the old me would have like went without the string, but I think it looked weird without the string. But I absolutely love it. It's small enough for what I need it to be, and it's big enough. Like, it's super cute, super fresh. I like the fact that it, has that little thing in the front over there, like a little mini purse. I'm not mad at the purse at all. Like, I could fit a lot of things into it as well, which is what I really liked about it. But look at how weird it looks without the string. So I wouldn't go without the string. Like, I like the string on it. I will not use the string, but I feel like it gives it a personality. And I don't want that whole being there, so I'll always wear it with the string. But yeah, this is also going to be linked in the description box below. She's cute. She's very cute. Let's get into the shipping information, the customs. Did I have to pay customs? Was there any custom fees? Are the charges crazy? Did I have to pay duties? How long did it actually take for the items to get here? So I've ordered from Temu 3 times, right? And those 3 occasions. For example, this last order that I made was done on the 1st of August, and they told me that it's possible for me to receive it between the 10th to the 23rd of August. Mind you, the concert is the 23rd, so I was panicking, but it actually came on the 9th. It actually came like a day earlier than they projected. So shipping is very fast. And no, I did not have to pay customs. I did not have to pay anything other than place my order, pay for shipping, and my shipping was also free because I exceeded the minimum for shipping, and I got a promo on top of it. So it was smooth. It's always been smooth. So that's it for those particular details. Okay, yet again, for another weird reason, my Bluetooth was not connected. The Bluetooth mic was not connected. So I'm just gonna voice over my outro. So basically here, I was expressing that I'm happy with, everything that I've gotten from Temu so far. They are actually quality. Shipping is smooth. I don't have to deal with customs or anything. And yeah, I'm introducing my cat once again. I'm obsessed with her. Yes, I know. I'm a mamacita. Okay. But yeah, I was just expressing how happy I am with all of my orders. I'll definitely be ordering again from Temu. But yes, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Let me know your thoughts. And also, can we talk about how many times I touched my hair in this video? Like, comment how many times. Like, literally, guys, if you can count how many times I touched my, there I go again. If you can count how many times I touched my hair in this video, let me know in the comment section. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Talk to you later.